the very expensive.
Wee.
OMG, I don't want
Can I borrow that one?
Of course not.
Yeah.
So hi guys, welcome to my mom's channel. For today's video, I'll be taking you through my review or my unboxing of my new MacBook Pro 13-inch. My mom and I went to Newbridge to iConnect. iConnect is like a premium reseller of iPhone. Apple, I mean. So this is what it looks like. And I was meant to get the MacBook Air, but then I asked the woman what is the best laptop for computer science students, and they suggested for me to have the MacBook Pro because this has a lot more power than the MacBook Air one. Computer science student, we are expected to have a much powerful laptop because we need to download and development environment like Visual Studio for C#. So yep, I will open this one. This has 8 GB and 256, which is like the very basic for MacBook Pro. So this MacBook Pro is the least expensive one among the Pro family. Yay! Yay! I've been saving up money for this one.
And mommy.
And mommy. So I'm probably not gonna get myself any gift for 3 years because this is really expensive. So this is not my first Mac, but this is my first owned Mac. I had my Mac when I was working with Workday. They provided us the very expensive.
Wee.
OMG, don't
Can I borrow that one?
Of course not.
Yeah.
Ta-da! It's just a 13-inch one, and I think this is very handy since I bought a new bag as well for my birthday, and I think it fits really well.
Who gave you the bag?
My dad. Not you. And it comes with the charger as well. And
George bought that for you.
yeah, it's the same charger with the bigger Pro ones.
What's that?
Charger.
No, the other one.
It's a fast charging one. What? Which one?
Okay.
So here it is. I didn't get the insurance because it was so expensive. It was
300.
Like 300, and you know I just have
to be careful.
extra careful. And I also bought.
No, open it
Wait,
first.
one sec. This one, it's only €30. My mom made me buy this one. So annoying. I didn't want to buy this one, but you know, I think I have one with Workday. I think they offered one.
No, why did you
before.
not get it?
Well, I just didn't get it because you know, because they gave me like a big bag as well. So it's very safe here. Oh, sorry. So it's like this. It's very like soft inside. So
Very spongy, very soft inside.
not spongy. It's very soft. So
Yeah, spongy, like soft.
Your laptop will be much safer and less scratchy.
And use the other one.
This is a little ASMR.
What's ASMR?
Saan pag ASMR nasaba mo kay ka? Wala na noon. Yay! So yeah, they don't have the silver one, so I ended up buying the space gray one, which is kind of very manly for me. Ta-da! So, ASMR. So we have like the touch bar for the pros. If you're gonna buy an Air or a Pro, I think that's the one of the biggest difference.
And what did I buy for you on your
What?
birthday?
Oh, she got me an AirPod.
And where's your AirPod?
Oh, we didn't get this because it was set already. It was already set up by work, so I didn't get the chance to buy. I'm just setting up something. I have a keyboard and a magic mouse as well, which is like free from Berkeley. They actually gave it to us. So I'm gonna use it with this laptop. And there's our little visitor. You can see here, that's the touch bar, and MacBook Airs don't have this one, so that's like the advantage maybe. But yeah, aside from the touch bars, and here as well, you can have your fingerprints here, so you can unlock your laptops with fingerprints. And aside from this touch bars, I think it has more power, so yeah, that's definitely a plus if you are considering buying MacBook Air or MacBook Pro. So yeah, it's very
How much
cute.
was that?
I was meant to buy with the student one, but then it didn't get because my student ID is expired. So this is 1400 with the most basic, with the very basic specs.
It's 1442, I think.
Yeah, 1442. Oh god, no. So I think
Euro.
yeah, it's in euro. We have here two Thunderbolts here, where your charger goes. Pero mami. So yeah, there you charge it one here, and then the other one, I think you can, I don't know what goes here, but then if you have like the USBs, I think you might as well buy they have like the connector ones, which I will add later when I'm editing this one, because my mom is so lazy, she doesn't want me to like introduce, because I have one upstairs, it's provided from my company, and I kept it, so I'm gonna use that one if I'm gonna charge my phone here or connect my phones or use USBs or whatever.
I get
with the most traditional ones. Can you get the keyboard as well?
Excuse me?
Backstory, I had a MacBook Pro, which it was like 16-inch. It was from my company, and we don't get to keep the laptops because it was really good. And before I started working with them, I didn't really want to get like a Mac because I thought it was overrated, but when I started using it, it was really good. No, not this one. So this is the keyboard that I will connect later, and this is the Magic Mouse as well. And these are from my company. I didn't buy them myself, and my manager said I could keep them, so yeah. So my mom didn't get the one that I was talking about, but that one I will show you later. I think it's for retail I think it's retailed for 50 euros, something like that. So if you get that one, you can connect your phones or your USBs with this one. So I think you definitely should get that one. Jeez. So this is how you, for first timers, this is how you do your chargers. So you know this one here, it should be attached here. If you can see that one, and these two circles as well is for this one, just in case. And if you hear the click, that's safe. So you attach this wire as well for here. This cable, thank you. I don't use cable. And this is very long, and this is a fast charging one, so that's really good for your laptop. So don't leave your laptop charging for too long. So that's it for this one, and I'm gonna update you guys how it goes, or like how it's gonna be like in a week, if it's gonna slow down or something like that. And as well, I'll show you how fast it's gonna be with the developing environment that I will download with my college and with the Sims game. So if you're into tech, I might make videos that are Apple related. So you might as well subscribe to my mom and see if I have another videos about Apple, or how this MacBook Pro will go after 1 month or after a few weeks. So don't forget to like and share.
Hi, Lang. What are you having?
We're having the same MacBook.
I can't hear you. Take off your mask. Omega box chicken breast. And there's a surprise. What's the surprise that you're going to open later on?
I bought a surprise for myself.
A little bit in that box, there's a big surprise for herself.
The big apple that keeps the doctor away. And nakapalit namin sa akong ilang box later. And akong gift sa akong mom. Kami na, wala ka niyo.
What is it?
It's a winter jacket. And it's worth $500.
Shocking.
Oh,
And
makapalit
where's my camera?
Naraok.